Imagine a world where light behaves like a wave, creating ripples across the universe. Yet, when you observe it closely, it acts like a solid particle, defying all expectations. This baffling behavior is at the heart of one of the most famous experiments in physics, the double-slit experiment. What if I told you that this simple test reveals profound truths about the nature of reality, consciousness, and our understanding of the universe itself? The mysterious experiment begins. In the early 19th century, Thomas Young conducted a series of experiments that would shake the foundations of physics. By shining a coherent light source, like sunlight filtered through a narrow slit, onto a barrier with two closely placed slits, Young observed something astonishing. Instead of two distinct lines of light on the screen behind the barrier, he noticed a pattern of alternating bright and dark bands. This phenomenon, known as interference, suggested that light could behave as a wave. But the experiment did not stop there. To delve deeper, physicists decided to fire individual photons, the very particles of light, one at a time through the slits. What they discovered next was nothing short of mind-bending. Even when a single photon passed through, it still created an interference pattern over time, suggesting that it was somehow interfering with itself. This baffling behavior raises the question, how can a single particle produce a pattern that implies wave-like characteristics? Particles and waves, the duality dilemma. This dual nature of light is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics, leading to the concept of wave-particle duality. Light, as it turns out, can behave both as a wave and as a particle, depending on how it is observed. This revelation challenges our traditional understanding of reality, forcing us to reconsider what we know about the fundamental nature of the universe. But the intrigue doesn't stop here. When scientists introduced a measurement device to detect which slit the photon passed through, the interference pattern vanished. Suddenly, light behaved like a particle, leaving no trace of its wave-like behavior. This strange occurrence fueled debates about the role of the observer in the quantum world, suggesting that reality itself might be influenced by our perception. Unraveling the observer effect. The question then arises, does consciousness play a significant role in shaping reality? The observation that the act of measuring changes the outcome is known as the observer effect. This phenomenon suggests that our very act of observation alters the behavior of quantum particles. The implications are staggering, indicating that reality may not be as objective as we once believed. One surprising revelation within this context is that many people assume that particles exist in definite states prior to observation. However, quantum mechanics posits that particles exist in a state of probability, encompassing multiple potential outcomes until a measurement is made. This nuanced understanding challenges the traditional notion of existence and raises profound philosophical questions about free will, perception, and the nature of reality. Implications beyond physics. The implications of the double-slit experiment extend far beyond physics. The experiment has sparked discussions in philosophy, particularly regarding the nature of consciousness and its interaction with reality. If our observations genuinely shape the universe around us, what does that mean for our roles as conscious beings? Does this mean that every individual has the power to influence reality? In addition, the experiment serves as a reminder of the limits of human understanding. Our interpretation of the universe is often constrained by the frameworks we've built. As new discoveries in quantum mechanics challenge these frameworks, they prompt us to think differently, to question assumptions, and to seek deeper truths. Towards a new understanding of reality. As scientists continue to explore the mysteries of quantum mechanics, one thing remains clear. The double-slit experiment is more than just a test of light's behavior. It is a profound inquiry into the nature of existence itself. The more we unravel the complexities of the quantum world, the more we stand on the cusp of a new understanding of reality. Could it be that we are all interconnected with the universe in ways we have yet to fully comprehend? The answers that lie within the double-slit experiment may hold the keys to a deeper understanding of not just physics, but of consciousness and our place within the cosmos. What are your thoughts on the power of observation? Have you ever felt that your perception influenced your reality? I'd love to hear your experiences or theories on how consciousness interacts with the universe.